Top 5 makeup must-haves from Maybelline from a pro makeup artist. This primer is a really good, really close alternative to the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Categorizing these as one product because they're both foundations, but the dewy and the matte foundations from the Fit Me line are amazing. Seriously, they perform like other high-end foundations. Okay, I'm kind of cheating because I'm grouping these two into one, but the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder is my baby. You guys know that. But the pressed powder, I don't feel like people talk about it enough, and it is so good. You already know the vibes on this gloss. It is a great alternative to the Fenty ones. Such an amazing quality. I don't really enjoy liquid matte lipsticks that much, but I will say this is probably in my top 5. It is very comfortable, extremely long lasting.
If you're new to makeup, make this your starter kit. I've said it before and I'll say it again. L'Oreal True Match Foundation is GOAT. And if you like a lighter coverage, try their hyaluronic tinted serum. I've repurchased this liner millions of times. It's so good. Okay, we've all heard it, but these are really good concealers. No other drugstore finishing powder can compare. TikTok made me buy it and I don't regret it. So pigmented and only $5. Say it with me. Better than sex is not better than sex. Okay, if you haven't tried these yet, you sleep and you slipping. The Maybelline Brow Pencil is a dupe for Anastasia. And this brow palette, bomb. Follow for more.
OMG, I am so obsessed with the Nudes of New York palette by Maybelline. 16 eyeshadow shades.
Hey Kendalls, what's up? I'm a medical esthetician and I'm going to show you how to properly take off your makeup at the drugstore. Let's go. First off, you want to avoid using makeup wipes. This can cause premature aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and doesn't actually take off your makeup completely. A great option is using micellar water. You can use this with a cotton pad or use your hands. This one from Garnier is amazing. One of my favorite micellar waters is actually the hydrating micellar water from CeraVe. Great option. If you don't like using micellar water, you can use a cleansing balm. This one from the Inky List is amazing for dry to sensitive skin. We love. Cleansing balms are great if you have a full face of makeup and have a hard time taking off all your makeup. This will take everything off.